Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a common issue many of you have been facing, the dreaded E19 error indicating a heat exchanger valve problem. But fear not, we have got a solution for you that will have your dishwasher running smoothly again in no time. First thing, we need to open the top cover, as I have shown in the video, by just clicking the like two lock mechanisms, and also we have to take the side cover out to get an access to a heat exchanger valve. So as you can see in the video that I have been taking the two screws from the front side and one of at the top of the back side, and now I'm trying to take the heat exchanger valve slowly. First you need to be very careful because there will be a lot of water inside the water tank, so you just need to take the water out. So how we can do it is slowly taking the heat exchanger valve towards you, just like rotating the heat exchanger valve away from you, so that you can dispense all the water from the water tank inside the dishwasher, and there will be a no leak to the dishwasher, or you can say while you been working there will be no water at the work site. So always be patient and let the water run through inside the dishwasher. So the other thing is so easy, you can just pull out the heat exchanger valve away from the water tank, so which can be a little bit of a difficult task because it's a little bit hard to do it. Even when we do a lot of time, there will be there will be a problem in doing those things because of the access in it. So another thing is you just need to be careful that you need to take the seal from the water tank. Next thing is you need to put the heat exchanger valve inside the water tank. So here you can see the two hole on the side, and there is a uh, the access to put the heat exchanger valve. You need to lock between two side holes so that there will not be any leakage in future. So this is a little bit tough task. Anyway, you need to put that thing in and then put the wire. Once you have completed this task, it's time to test the system. Power it back on and monitor for any signs of the E19 error. If the error persists, don't worry, there may be a more complex issue at play. In that case, we recommend reaching out to a professional technician for further assistance. Otherwise, your dishwasher is good to go. And one more thing, there will be a heat exchanger valve foil which you can put at the end, because I always like to put at the end, but they have a description to put at the beginning, but I will find little bit trouble on working with the heat exchanger on it, so I always put the in. Here you can see the picture of the description. The last thing you need to do is to check if there is any leaking where you have replaced the heat exchanger bulb. So if you can find there is no leak, then you can finish the task by putting back the side cover and the top cover. So to check the leak, you might have to wait a little bit because it's gonna take time, because there is no any water in the tank. So, and there you have it. With a little bit of troubleshooting and some elbow grease, you can fix the E19 error caused by the heat exchanger valve issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.